Hi dears, I'm Jyoti. Welcome to our channel Kids and Teens. Here in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the redness of Mars. Why is Mars red? Let me know. If you are interested, continue watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe this channel. It will help you to watch my further videos. Mars is known as the red planet because of the color of its top layer of soil. This soil is rich in iron and has combined with oxygen to become a rusty red color. From Mars surface, you would see a rusty red landscape and a pink sky as winds blow its fine dust into its atmosphere. Mars is one of 4 rocky planets in the solar system. Also called the terrestrial planets, they are made mainly of rock and iron. The 4 rocky planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Mercury, the smallest of all the planets and the closest to the Sun. This world is grey and rocky, just like Earth's moon. Venus, the only visible thing is Venus' thick clouds. Sulfur makes them yellow in color. Earth, from space, Earth has 3 main colors: white clouds, blue oceans and brown land. Mars, the most distant rocky planet. It is red all over except for 2 white caps of ice at its poles. Radioactive material inside Mars made it so hot when it was young that it melted completely. The planet's heavy iron sank to the middle and its lighter rocks floated on top. Over time, its surface cooled, but molten rock would break through the crust and flow across the planet. The giant volcanoes on Mars today grew through successive eruptions at one spot. Around 3 to 4 billion years ago, Mars was warmer and had liquid water. This flowed across the surface, carving out valleys and forming lakes and seas. There is still water on Mars today, but it is frozen. Its south polar cap consists of predominantly water ice roughly centered on Mars' south pole. Water exists under Mars' surface as permafrost, water ice mixed into the soil and frozen to the hardness of solid rock. There is also water in Mars' atmosphere. It sometimes forms clouds of water, ice, and it can also settle on the ground as early morning frost. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos, which were discovered in 1877. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Its moons, Phobos and Deimos, are the names of the god's horses. Mars could be the first planet that humans visit. We have the ability to get there. We just need to raise $500 billion to build a suitable spacecraft. Volunteers have already undertaken a 105-day stimulated trip in an isolation unit in Moscow to test the effect of long-duration space flight. A 520-day trip is planned. The shortest trip to Mars would last about 15 months, with only 3 weeks of it on the planet. Living quarters for the astronauts would be sent on ahead by a robotic craft. At last, the craft transporting the astronauts would be so large that it would be assembled above Earth. The northern and southern hemispheres of Mars are different. The north is a young low-lying plain and the south is ancient highlands. It's possible that an asteroid hit the north and blasted off some of the crust. If you liked this video, please do like and subscribe. I will come back with another interesting topic. Thank you.